What's up, my fellow classmates and professors? First and foremost, my name is Nathan Hell, and I'm here giving you a little bit of speech on a primate of my choose, that being the mountain gorillas. So just for a little bit of overview, the mountain gorillas are a subspecies of the eastern gorilla and are one of the closest relatives to humans, sharing about 98% of our DNA. These great apes are known for their gentle demeanor and complex social structure, making them a favorite among primate enthusiasts. So here, I'm going to give you a little bit more information about their geographic location. Here in Africa, in this very small region in Rwanda, Uganda, live the mountain gorillas on very high elevations. But these primates are found in only two regions of the world, which is in the Rwanda mountain range between the borders of Rwanda and Uganda. They live in maintained forest and bamboo forest at a national park with up to elevations reaching to 8,000 and 13,000 feet, where the air is cool and the vegetation is dense. Next, moving on, I'm going to give you a little bit more information about their size and weight. Males, known as silverbacks, can range up from the 300 to 430 pounds, and they can stand up to 5.6 feet tall when standing on their hind two legs. Females, though, they are much smaller and range between 150 to 250 pounds. Despite their size, they are incredibly agile climbers, often scaling trees to reach their food. But speaking of food, their diet. These gentle giants are primarily herbivores, consuming over 140 different types of plants. Their diets consist of mainly of leaves, shoots, and stems. But they also eat fruits and small insects like ants and termites. And just a little fun fact about the mountain gorillas, an adult male can consume up to 40 pounds of vegetation in a single day, which is beyond me because I can barely eat a salad from time to time. So I found that a very interesting fact about the mountain gorillas. But here you can see just a little picture of a big silverback eating on a little bit of a bamboo leaf. But now I'm going to get into a little bit of their activity pattern. Mountain gorillas are quadrupedal, meaning they move using all four limbs with a distinct knuckle walk. They are diurnal creatures where they spend their days foraging for food, socializing, and playing, making their social interactions a key part of their behaviors. Alright, next moving on, we have their social behaviors. Their social behaviors begin with living in groups called troops, usually led by a silverback. These troops can have up to 20 mountain gorillas in a troop. The silverback is responsible for leadership and protection, while the younger males, known as blackbacks, often help foraging with the females, climbing at high elevation up in the forest, ranging for food, insects, and fruits, and along that nature. But mountain gorillas are classified as an endangered species with only about 1,000 individuals left in the wild. Their biggest threat are habitat loss, poaching, and diseases like respiratory infections. But here today, I gave you a little bit of a speech on my primate of chosen, and that being the mountain gorillas. I really hope today I can better help you with a little bit of information on an endangered species that live in our world. And I found it very interesting. I hope you can find it very interesting as well. And that is my primate speech. Thanks again. I hope you have a good rest of your day.